Welcome to my vlog, guys.
Everything will fall into place if you don't rush. Elaine 2024.
Today yeah, it's
Today is just a normal day. It's August 15. Ilan yan? Ilang calories niyan?
142 isang ganito. Pero ang protein niya mataas. Kakainin natin.
Guys, I need to freaking organize. This is before. And then I'll show after. If meron. After, nandito na lahat ng mga gamit ko na hindi ko na kailangang itapon.